All right, it's June 7th, 2023, and we're just gonna hit Austin Lake here real quick for about an hour or so. Try fishing this point right by the launch, and then a couple other points, probably just with Whopper Plopper. See if we can get some smallmouth action to go. We were hoping for 1 2-pound smallmouth and 1.94, 0.98, 2-pounder. All right, didn't get any on the first point, got one on the second point. Hopefully a couple more, just like that. Smallmouth. Yeah, it's about the same size as the last one. Gosh, when I had coffee today. Come on. Can't get the hook. Let me grab the hook. There we go. Calm down. 17 inches. $2.07. Almost a duplicate. A couple 2-pounders. Come on. Smallmouth on Austin Lake. Largemouth hanging out with smallmouth. Just under 14. I wouldn't weigh him in the tournament. But we're not in a tournament, so. We're in the only spot on the whole lake that has any ripple. Everywhere else is pretty darn calm. spot we want to try before we go. About to quit. About 15-incher looks. Yep, about 15-incher. He's been on this perch-colored Whopper Plopper. 110. Alright, I think that's going to do it on Austin Lake. It's a fun hour. Got 4 fish, decent sized fish, all on top water, so can't beat that. We'll be back in Austin some more coming up. Start hitting it a little bit more in the mornings. Haven't fished Long Lake that much, but Austin's been good to us. A couple times we've come here so far this year. It's been pretty good, so that's good to see. Alright, thanks for watching. Subscribe and have a good day.